let's go to the core of the basics, that is the alphabets. We all know alphabets are 26. Yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, among this we have 5 vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowels. These are the vowels. Okay, vowels are the letters which give the sound. Okay, consonants also have sound, but the vowels are the ones which link one consonant to the other. Okay, so you can't find many words, maybe 1 or 2 words you have without vowels. Every word has a vowel in it. Okay, so these are A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The rest of the alphabets are consonants. What are the rest of the alphabets? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are consonants. Consonants are the letters. Yeah, consonants are the letters apart from the vowels in the alphabet. Okay, what are words? Words are the combination of letters. These alphabets are nothing but letters. Each one is a letter. A is a letter, G is a letter, M is a letter, N is a letter, R is a letter. Each one is a letter. Okay, words. Words means the combination of letters. One letter word. What is one letter word? A. I have a pen. Okay, I am a teacher. These are one letter words. Okay, 2 letter words. Am. This is a letter, this is a letter. 2 letter combined to form a word. Any 1 or 2 letters or more than 2 letters which combine to give a meaningful term is called a word. Okay, this is 2 letter word. 3 letter word, ant. 4 letter word, pant. 5 letter, that way we are using the letters to form the words. Okay, now sentence. What do you mean by sentence? The combination of words is called a sentence, which gives a meaning. If I say, she teacher is a, is this a sentence? No, it is not meaningful. All the words are jumbled here and there. Yeah, for a sentence to be meaningful, it is in the pattern subject plus verb plus object. Okay, what is the subject? Subject means the doer or the main one. Who is the main one here? She. Generally, the subject is either a noun or a pronoun. Here, she is a pronoun. Okay, she. Then what is the verb? Is. She is a teacher. A teacher is a object. So the sentence, that is the words kept in a proper order, is called a sentence. Okay. And here you have an error. The first letter. This is a first letter. So you should write it capital letter. Okay, so rest of the video I will tell you what are the types of sentences and how the sentences can be made meaningful. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.